So this was the different machine which was used in the World War by the different German. Okay, so German invented this kind of machines for like encrypting the things over there. Okay, so and who is the inventor for this machine? Arthur Schnibbers was the inventor for it, and they used when, you remember, in World War One, at the end of World War One, I think 1914, I think. If I'm not wrong. So these were electromechanical rotor cipher machine. So with this machine, you can do easily, quickly over there, right? Nowadays, you have computer programs. So computer programs can do faster for you. Just in one click, you just run and it do for you, right? But like before, there was no computer program, so they use electromechanical instruments for that one. And who broke this cipher? And this is called Enigma machine. Who broke it? The Poland people, the Poland intelligence people, they broke this cipher over there. And why it is broken? Because German procedure flaws over there, operator mistakes over there, laziness, failure to systematically introduce the changes in cipher procedure over there. So this is based on this machine. See the Enigma. Last time I told you that how you rotate this one. So this Enigma machine, this is called Enigma. This one is based on this kind of machine. So there are different points. One is called rotor, it's called Lambert, it's called keyboard, it's called plug board over there. And inside mechanism, you can also see what was inside mechanism, how the different things were operated, substituted, how to substitute with A and S and D and F. So they make three different blocks, one for S, one for A, another for S, another for D, and another for F. Okay, so they make different blocks for ciphering.